Meaning of heterozygote.
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 Heterozygote. The term heterozygote refers to an organism that has two different versions, or alleles, of a particular gene. Each parent contributes one allele, and if those alleles are different, the offspring is a heterozygote. Heterozygotes often display characteristics that blend features of the two alleles they possess. This can have consequences for genetic disorders, as some disorders only manifest in individuals who inherit two copies of a particular allele, i.e., homozygotes, while heterozygotes may be carriers of the disorder but not show symptoms themselves. In summary, heterozygotes possess two different versions of a gene, which may impact their observed traits and potential health risks.